welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make a chickpea salad. So I'm going to be using 1 can of chickpeas, about 4 or 5 bread and butter pickles. You can use dill pickle if you prefer. About a tablespoon of vegan mayo, about 2 tablespoons of mustard. If you have spicy brown mustard, that actually tastes even better in this. Probably about like 1/4 of an onion. I'm using a yellow onion. If you prefer red onion, feel free to use that. And then just a little bit of garlic powder, paprika, and salt and pepper. Alright, so now that I have my chickpeas all mashed up, I'm gonna go in and add the pickles that I cut up, all of the onions. Another thing that you can add into this would be celery. I've done that before and that's really good. I just don't have any on me right now. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my vegan mayo. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of that. And then about 2 tablespoons of mustard. And this is really all to taste, so if you want a little bit more of mayo rather than mustard, go ahead and add that. I just prefer a little more of the mustard flavor than the mayo. And then I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of garlic powder. And then I'm gonna do a good amount of paprika. Again, this is all to taste, so if you want more, add more. If you want less, go ahead and add less. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of fresh ground pepper. I think I'm gonna actually end up adding a little bit more mustard to this. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up. Alright, so this is what it should be looking like. Just like a good, kind of resembles like an egg salad almost. But depending on if you end up putting a little bit more mayo in than mustard, you might have a little bit less of the yellowy color. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble a sandwich. I'm just cut up some tomato. I have a little bit of shredded lettuce. And I'm gonna do a little bit of mayo on the bread and some pepper, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, so here is what she's looking like. This is one of my favorite, most easiest recipes. I love having this for lunch, and you can really go as creative or as simple as you want with it. You can add any kind of toppings that you want. And you can even add a little bit more into the mixture. But this one is just a nice, easy, simple way to get some protein in your lunch. If you guys do end up making this recipe, please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video.